All right, let's talk about it. The tech job market in 2026. It is a whole different ballgame. So if you want to not just keep up, but actually get ahead and seriously boost your salary, getting the right certification is absolutely critical. So today, we're going to break down which IT certs will actually move the needle for your career. So why are we even having this conversation? Well, honestly, it really boils down to one simple, very important thing: your paycheck. I mean, look at this. The difference in earning potential between someone with a certification and someone without, it isn't just a small bump. It is a massive leap that can completely change the trajectory of your entire career. And look, this isn't just a hunch or some anecdotal evidence. The data is crystal clear. We are talking about a 25 to 40% salary increase. That is a huge advantage, and it proves that companies are more than willing to pay a premium for skills they can actually verify. Okay, first up, the 2026 Tech Challenge. Before we can even dive into which certs to get, we really need to understand why they've become so incredibly important in today's job market. You see, the fundamental rules of the game have shifted. Just having experience on your resume, it isn't quite enough anymore. Executives are openly saying there's this massive skills gap, especially in hot areas like AI. They need people who can hit the ground running, and a certification is the fastest, clearest signal that you've got the exact skills they're desperate for. Let's put some real numbers to this, okay? You're not just getting a piece of paper here. You are making yourself 73% more likely to land a specialized role. You can expect an average salary bump of around $13,000. And from the company's perspective, you're a de-risked hire. They know what they're getting. For you, it's all about future-proofing your career. It really is a win-win. So, we get the challenge, right? It's tough out there. Now, let's talk about the solution. In this next section, we're going to build your personal certification roadmap to help you navigate this new landscape. Now, the good news is we can pretty much boil down every high-value certification into one of four key areas. Think of these as the four pillars of modern IT: cloud, cybersecurity, DevOps, and Agile, and of course, the big one, AI. This is where all the demand and, frankly, all the money is concentrated right. Let's start with cloud computing because, well, it's the undisputed backbone of pretty much everything digital. Getting a certification like the AWS Certified Solutions Architect doesn't just say you know about the cloud, it proves you can actually design, build, and manage systems on the world's biggest platforms. And within the cloud, you've really got three giants that dominate the space. AWS is the clear market leader, so their certs are often the most in demand. Azure is the go-to for big companies that are already deep in the Microsoft world. And then you have Google Cloud, which is an absolute powerhouse for data and machine learning, and it's catching up fast. Okay, lean in for this one because this is a real game changer. The latest hiring data shows the biggest value isn't just in a single certification, it's in the combination. By pairing a cloud cert with one in cybersecurity or DevOps, you can see salary offers jump by as much as 40%. It's all about creating a powerful and versatile skill stack. All right, let's make this really personal now. In Section 3, we're going to chart a path that's based on where you are in your career right this minute. So I want you to take a second and really think about this question. Are you just starting out, fresh in the industry? Are you a few years in, looking to level up? Or are you already an established leader? Your answer is going to determine your next best move. We can break this down into three key stages. You've got the career starter with about 0 to 2 years of experience, the mid-career pro with 2 to 5 years, and the senior leader with 5+ years under their belt. Let's find the best certs for each one. Okay, if you're a career starter, your mission is simple: build a rock-solid foundation. The CompTIA A+ proves you have the core hardware and software skills every IT pro needs. From there, AWS Cloud Practitioner or Azure Fundamentals are your front door to the cloud. And if you're leaning towards security, the CompTIA Security Plus is, without a doubt, the industry-standard first step. Now, for you mid-career pros, the game changes. It's all about specialization. The AWS Solutions Architect cert can vault you into high-paying design roles. The Terraform Associate credential shows you can automate infrastructure, a must-have skill for DevOps. The PSMI validates your agile project management skills. And something like the AWS AI Practitioner cert, that puts you right on the cutting edge of the AI wave. And for our senior leaders, the focus shifts again to strategic expertise. The CISSP is the undisputed gold standard for anyone in or aspiring to cybersecurity leadership. At the same time, the professional level certs from AWS or Google Cloud prove you have the expertise to lead the most complex enterprise scale cloud strategies. So, let's bring all of this together in our final section, your next strategic move. It's time to turn all this information into real, tangible action. So, what's the one thing you should take away from all this? It's simple. A certification isn't just another line on your LinkedIn profile. It is a direct strategic investment in your skills, your earning potential, and the long-term security of your career. And that leads us to this final, crucial question. We've laid out the map, we've defined the key areas, and we've charted the specific paths for every career stage. The only thing left to decide is which step you're going to take first. Your future is unwritten. What will your next certification be?